You know, when you're just explaining things to people and you're like, I just need to show you this. And like, especially when it's a process. You ever like trying to show someone something? Like, this happens with my mom a lot when I'm trying to show her something and I have to wait for her to go through every step. And something that could literally take 5 minutes takes like 35 minutes. I know that you know this feeling, and I actually just had to do this when I hired a VA. I wanted the process to be very efficient, so look what I did. I used this Google Chrome plugin called Tango. All I basically did was get the Chrome plugin and hit Start Capture. And then you just step by step go through the whole process, and it basically creates what's called a Tango. So it will literally show people where they need to click and like step by step exactly what they need to do. So I basically could send her the link of the finished product or just hit this download PDF button. Without me manually doing any of the work, it basically just creates this PDF guide for my girlie to go through and just get everything step by step that she needs to do. Process of creating that took actually 35 seconds. And if I had to type all of that out or like sit on the phone with her, on Zoom with her while she had to go through it, it would have taken so much longer. There's no better lesson that I've learned other than work smarter, not harder. And Tango is a great example of how you can do that.